Hello friends, welcome back to PharmaBest. In last video, you learnt about statistics and in this video, you will learn about biostatistics. Okay, let's begin. वो कहते हैं ना, नाम में ही पहचान. So, biostatistics is a best example for that, as it is a combination of two words, that is biology and statistics. That means whenever we apply the tools of statistics to the data that is derived from biological science, we use the term biostatistics. So coming to the definition of biostatistics, it is a branch of applied statistics that applies statistical methods to medical and biological problems. तो बाय डेफिनेशन हमें इतनी सिंपल बात पता चलती है कि स्टैटिस्टिकल मेथड को हम बायोलॉजी और मेडिकल फील्ड में यूज़ करते हैं. तो हम मेडिकल फील्ड में स्टैटिस्टिक्स को क्यों अप्लाई करते हैं और कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं और अप्लाई करने से हमें क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है और इन केस हम अप्लाई ना करें तो क्या होता है. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट इट. एवरीथिंग इन मेडिसिन, be it a research, diagnosis or treatment, depends on counting or measurement. The BP we measure is in figures. Pulse rate we measure in figures. Even the SpO2 level is measured in figures. Thus, the elementary factors of our life are measured with the help of statistics. So, they say that even the high or low BP has no meaning without they are expressed in figures. Even the incidence of TB or the death rate in typhoid, which is stated in figures, will be of no use without statistics. Thus, medical statistics or biostatistics can be called as quantitative medicine. Friends, when we apply medical statistics to different fields, it is named differently, such as health statistics when the study is related to public or community health, medical statistics when the study is related to defects, injuries, diseases, treatments or efficacy of the drug, and vital statistics when the study is related to the vital events of birth, deaths and marriages. Now let's have a look where we can apply biostatistics. First, in anatomy and physiology, to find what is normal or healthy in a population. Even to find limits of normality in variables such as weight and pulse rate. Even BP and also the blood count such as WBC, RBC, hemoglobin, platelet is all by statistics. Second, in pharmacology, to find the drug action. Even to compare the action of two different drugs. And also to find the relative potency of the new drug with respect to the standard drug. Then in medicine, to compare the efficacy of a particular drug or line of treatment. For example, हमें पता है cephalosporin के 5 generations है. उन 5 generations में 3rd, 4th, 5th generation are more efficacious as compared to 1st and 2nd generation. This is known by statistics. Then, to find the signs and symptoms of particular disease and to find an association between two attributes such as cancer and smoking, alcohol and liver damage. इसका मतलब स्मोकिंग करने से स्मोकिंग किस लेवल तक कैंसर कॉज कर सकता है या फिर अल्कोहल किस लेवल तक लीवर डैमेज कर सकता है. In community medicine and public health, to test usefulness of sera and vaccines, यानी कि vaccines और serums किस level तक useful है ये टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Then in epidemiological studies, यानी कि the role of causative factors are tested statistically. So आपको पता चल गया होगा कि हम बायोस्टैटिस्टिक्स को क्यों, कैसे और कहाँ पे अप्लाई करते हैं. Thus, biostatistics as a science of figures will tell us what are the leading causes of death. यानी कि for example, हमारे country में death rate किससे ज़्यादा है, ड्यू टू हार्ट अटैक or due to cancer or due to COVID. This is studied and estimated. Then what are the important causes of sickness? सिक होने के अभी जैसे important causes है ड्यू टू कोरोना, वैसे पहले थे ड्यू टू टाइफाइड, ड्यू टू डेंगू, ड्यू टू मलेरिया. दिस इज एस्टिमेटेड. द लेवल और स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ हेल्थ रीच्ड. देन एज एंड सेक्स कंपोजिशन ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन अ कम्युनिटी, जैसे कि एक कम्युनिटी में एज ग्रुप कितने से कितना है और सेक्स दैट इज मेल कितने हैं, फीमेल कितने हैं. दिस इज ऑल नोन बाय statistics. Then whether a particular disease is rising or falling in a severity or prevalence, जैसे कि एक डिसीज एक कम्युनिटी में बढ़ रही है या घट रही है. अगर बढ़ रही है तो व्हाट सीवियर लेवल वो राइज हो रही है, ये पता चलता है स्टैटिस्टिक्स से. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट बायोस्टैटिस्टिक्स. आई होप आपको आज का ये लेक्चर समझ आया हो. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज like, share and subscribe. Thank you.